It's quite heavy because it is queen size. Okay, first I'm going to show you how this inflates and deflates. So this has a built-in cord to inflate and deflate the mattress, and it's in this little compartment right here. That's very handy because you don't have to worry about losing a power pack or a separate cord. I do have an airbed that I've had for many years, and I've really gotten a lot of use out of it, but I've misplaced the charger because the charger comes off. And so now it's of no use until I can locate another charger. You won't have to worry about that with this. Now, of course, the disadvantage is that you're going to have to be somewhere near an electrical outlet to inflate it. And that's typically not a problem, certainly not a problem in a home or a hotel, a rental, Airbnb. It's probably not the best choice for camping. And as you can see, there's a knob, and that allows you to go from the off position to inflate to deflate, and there's a quick release valve as well. So I'm going to plug this in. Pretty easy to roll out. Like I said, I've already unfolded this once. I'm going to move this around here so I can reach the outlet. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the pump, and I'm going to check my Fitbit timer to see how long this is going to take. Ready, set. It's getting there. And right now it is, let's see, that's just over a minute now. Just turned the pump off a few seconds ago, so it was about 3.5 minutes to inflate to this level. And I think I'll shift it around a little bit so you can get a better look at it. Very easy to move. Oh, it's very easy to slide around. I'm going to leave the cord hanging out. Normally I'd put that back. So I mentioned that this is the queen size, the larger size. There's also a twin, and I debated about whether to get that, but sometimes a twin just isn't, quite comfortable enough for one person or one large person. This can easily handle a couple of people, and the weight capacity is, let me look, it has a 650 pound capacity, so you could very easily fit 2 or more people on here. So this being 22 inches high is quite raised off the floor. The airbed and some of the other air mattresses that I've used are much lower to the floor, so this kind of makes you feel more like you're in a regular bed. And it's quite comfortable. It's about the right inflation level for me. I guess you could add a little more or take out a little air to suit your comfort level. Yeah, this is really quite roomy. Quite roomy. These are great for guests. If you don't want to devote the space to a guest bed all the time. Also to take along to vacation homes and Airbnbs. I think that the Queen is going to be too large for most hotel rooms, but they do make the twin size that you could also take to a hotel room if you needed it there, but I can definitely see using this in a vacation home. The top fabric here, this is made of PVC, the entire unit is, and the top material is waterproof. So I guess you wouldn't have to worry too much about kids maybe having accidents. This actually would be a lot of fun for kids for a sleepover. Yeah, this is actually very comfortable to lounge around in. Okay, so it took about 3 minutes and 30 seconds to inflate to this level. So now I'm going to use the electric pump and deflate it. Yeah, maybe first I should turn it around so you can see all sides. Although, I mean, it's a rectangle and pretty much the same all the way around, except for the sound of the pump. Okay, so here you see the side with the cord and the pump. And this tucks back in here pretty easily. Here's the quick release valve. And here's the knob that turns between off, inflate, and deflate. So I'm going to rotate it back around so I can plug it in and time how long it takes to deflate. And you know, when I move this, I do notice that it feels much lighter when it's inflated than it does when it's in the bag. Of course, that can't be right, but I guess because you're expecting something this large to be heavy. Okay, so plug it in. Okay, I'm setting my stopwatch timer here. And there it goes. So that was about 4 minutes to deflate. Now I'm going to roll it back up and see if I can get it into the bag, maybe a little better than I did the first time. I don't see any specific instructions for folding, so I'm just going to use common sense, and I'll probably hear back from somebody that I did this the wrong way, but I guess I'll sit on it and press the air out even more. It feels like it's deflated. Yeah, feels like it's deflated enough. So the bag is about, I think I'll need to fold this into thirds to get it into the bag. I think that's what I did before. I think that's probably the only way that it would fit. that maybe there's a little bit better way of doing this, but just rolled it, folded it into thirds, and maybe I'll sit on it again. Make sure there's no more air. Whoa. Yikes. Okay. So you can see I'm having a little struggle getting it back into the bag. And I actually, yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I did a better job the first time of getting this back in here. I'm trying to get this back into the bag. I have managed to rip the bag. It's different when it's in the factory and it hasn't been unfolded yet. That's one story, but oh my goodness. I have ripped the bag trying to get this back in. So it fits, but yeah, it's not tucked away in nicely. So I would definitely recommend that the company make the bags larger. I mean, even up to 50% larger would be nice so that it's easy to store. Anything that comes neatly tucked into a bag, then you unfold it and it just never goes back properly. So that's a look at the Vicooda raised air mattress. Queen size. I really, really like the product, the bag. I like the air mattress itself. The bag I don't like. It's too small and too flimsy. But, I mean, if you're buy it for the mattress, that's the important thing. The mattress is comfortable, and I like the fact that it's raised. I like the fact that it's all one piece. You don't have any cords or chargers to lose. Please check the description section below for more information and links to our social media. Thanks for watching.